This is not danger nor judgment. Then what could this be? Go get the priestess for me.
What did you see? This is not a spirit war. This is a correction. I think I know the one behind all these. Eve.
I know it was you.
You were not meant to exist.
I was chosen.
No, you are a mistake that learned to speak. You know those dark spirits are not like me.
I know.
They don't feel. They only correct. If I fully return, I may lose what I was.
Then become something new.
Oma, you must choose how to hold power. May the gods be with you.
Balance is inefficiency.
Then we will be inefficient.
You've surpassed me.
I carried you.
KD Nation Stories. Stay tuned.
This was not calculated.
You measure balance like numbers. I live it.
You are not balance. You are evolution.
I set you free today.
Well done. You are indeed the chosen one. This is not the end. It's the beginning of what comes after balance. Thanks for watching KD Nation Stories. Check my YouTube playlist for full series, new episodes dropping consistently. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to follow the journey.